Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with the platform. TeamWave offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline business operations, encompassing project management, CRM, and HR capabilities all within a single platform. This integrated approach aims to enhance team collaboration and improve overall workflow efficiency. By centralizing these essential functions, TeamWave seeks to eliminate the need for multiple, disparate software solutions, potentially saving businesses both time and money. This consolidation can also lead to improved communication and data management as all team members access information from a shared source. One of TeamWave's key features is its project management module, which provides tools for task management, time tracking, and file sharing. This allows teams to organize projects, assign responsibilities, and monitor progress effectively. The CRM component facilitates lead management, sales tracking, and customer communication, enabling businesses to nurture relationships and drive sales growth. Furthermore, the integrated HR functionality simplifies human resource management tasks such as employee onboarding, leave management, and performance reviews. TeamWave's user interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing for a smooth user experience. The platform also offers mobile apps for iOS and Android devices, providing users with access to their work on the go. This flexibility allows teams to stay connected and productive regardless of location. TeamWave offers a variety of pricing plans to cater to businesses of different sizes and needs. Their pricing model is typically based on the number of users and the features included in the plan. By consolidating core business functions into one platform, TeamWave presents itself as a potential solution for businesses looking to simplify operations, improve collaboration, and potentially reduce software costs. Integrating project management, CRM, and HR functions can contribute to a more streamlined and efficient workflow. Whether TeamWave is the right fit for a particular business will depend on its specific requirements and preferences, but its all-in-one approach certainly warrants consideration for those seeking an integrated solution. The ability to access these features through a single platform can streamline workflows and enhance overall team productivity.